Today, we fly to Niagara Falls and describe the VFR Niagara Falls flight pattern for sightseeing. Our flight time to the falls is 25 minutes. We are departing from Brantford Municipal Airport on runway 23. Winds are light out of the southwest. Full throttle and away we go. We have 3 cameras running on this flight. A forward cockpit view that you see now, an under-the-wing forward camera view, and a camera capturing the ground view. We climbed to 2,500 feet above sea level. This is approximately 1,700 feet above the ground. The flight path from Brantford to Niagara Falls has been mapped out using the ForeFlight application. This airplane cruises at 130 knots. 130 knots is equivalent to 240 kilometers per hour, or 150 miles per hour. Here's a quick look at the 3-camera simultaneous views. We are now 20 minutes into the flight, and just about ready to cross the Welland Canal. This is our current position to the right of Lake Gibson as we climb through 3,000 feet. Viewing the ADS-B exchange data, you can see us crossing the Welland Canal. We are now just to the right of St. Catharines and Lake Gibson. We fly over Highway 406 before crossing the Welland Canal. Here's the ground camera view over Lake Gibson and the Welland Canal. We are just moments away from flying over the falls. Let's go over the VFR flight rules for the traffic pattern above Niagara Falls. To fly over Niagara Falls, you must follow the Niagara Falls VFR Terminal Procedures Chart. The specific pattern is flown with a defined point of entry and exit. The majority of the circuit lies above restricted Canadian airspace CYR 518. All aircraft must be at or above 3,500 feet ASL. Recognition or anti-collision lights must be on. You fly the pattern in a clockwise direction, and you must not exceed 130 knots. You broadcast your altitude and intentions at the checkpoint on the falls pattern frequency. This is a VFR procedure, meaning see and be seen. Pilots are responsible for their own separation, and you must exit the pattern straight out with wings level. As we approach the intersection of the Queen Elizabeth Way and Highway 420, we turn to a heading of 101 to enter the traffic pattern and announce our intentions to circle over the falls. It is exceptionally hazy today, but the air is calm with no turbulence. This is the intersection of the Queen Elizabeth Way and Highway 420. Lucky for us, the cloud tops are below 3,500 feet. We have arrived at the falls. Now let's enjoy the 3 camera views, including the 360 panoramic camera perspective. We enter the pattern at 3,500 feet on a heading of 101. And now we time-lapse our way over the airport to join the mid-left downwind for runway 23. Joining the left mid-downwind for runway 23. Turning to left base. Turning to final. Now let's watch the landing with the forward and ground cam views as Foxtrot India. November Tango touches down on runway 23. We hope you enjoyed the flight today with the 3 camera perspectives. Till next time, we wish you blue skies and safe landings.